So the point of conversational AI is to have a computer that can communicate with a person. When you speak to another person, you say something, the person listens, they understand what you said, they think about a response, and they say that back to you. The person doesn't sit there and think for 10 seconds before responding. And similarly, when you speak with a computational system, it needs to be very quick and very natural.
How much is the white bottle?
White Contigo bottle is $21.
Because this is actually a long sequence of computational stages, everything from ASR to NLU to speech synthesis, these stages have to be chained together. And consequently, they need to be very efficient. If any one of these stages takes a long time, the entire system end to end will have very long latency and feel very awkward and unnatural. So there's a huge gap between the potential that you see in research at these top conferences like NeurIPS or ICML versus what's actually deployed in real businesses today. And that gap speaks to the complexity and the sophistication and frankly the difficulty of these algorithms and making them work in the real world. You have to design your deep learning models, you have to understand the algorithms and how they chain together, you have to collect training data, you have to annotate that data, you have to train the models, you have to deploy the system. Each one of these steps is a place where NVIDIA can help. What we've done is accelerated the entire pipeline. So for the first time, you can easily build and deploy the most accurate models and run them in real time. With the tools we're developing today, a developer can easily take a state-of-the-art model, train it on their own data, either starting from a base model provided by NVIDIA or training on data from scratch, export that model so that it can be run efficiently at runtime, what we call inference, and then package that up inside an easy-to-use API that expresses the core concepts of speech recognition, language understanding, and speech synthesis. So if you work in finance and you have your own annotated financial speech data, financial earnings calls, or traders placing orders, you can take that data and customize the trained model. And now you have a model that's going to be much more accurate and precise for the tasks that you care about. Our vision is that every computer system in the world, from gaming to websites to in-home devices to your car, should have a natural conversational interface. And so to enable that across all of these different industries, we need to think holistically about what does it take to build these systems and provide tools to make the process of building a conversational system easier, more efficient, and more seamless, and open up the entire field to a much broader set of developers.